Hi, welcome. We are looking at the ArcoLinux tweak tool. And if you do not have it yet, you can just install with sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux tweak tool git. What will happen is you will have an application, it's going to be in your menu, but it has also a Ctrl-Alt-E, which I'm using all the time now, a keyboard shortcut. And the last thing to explain to you guys is the Neofetch config. We've gone through all of them now. Neofetch is what we see and when we press Ctrl-T. So first off, if you hate this, it's simple. It's just in the bash RC. If you don't want to see it anymore, just go and delete it. Let's do that first off. So bash RC is a great way to give you lots of aliases and easy things to do. But if you don't want Neofetch to be there, Ctrl-Alt-A, so delete, gonna work as well, of course. But if you are going to do this, then Neofetch is not going to be launched. And this is also nice, right? It's just what you want. It's up to you. So Ctrl-Save, Ctrl-T, and we have back our Neofetch. So it's an application that runs in the terminal. All right, that said, we can add or have less, well, not add really, have less elements, because you see lots of elements are here in here. Show OS, show hostname, show kernel. So read it like this and read it vertically, and here we read it horizontally. So this host name is only shown in a virtual box, so there's no difference really if you try this. And if you're wondering why my terminal is looking this way, because I chose a termite theme, just took, I think it's this one at this point in time, that's applied, you see. So it's a choice you can have now. So the host name, nothing happens, but it starts to happen with show kernel, show uptime, show packages, show shell, show resolution. Let's just click a few away, and then you'll have something totally different. Ctrl-T, you'll have less. And maybe you say, no, well, we get a lot of space here, but maybe we have something called use small ASCII, apply, Ctrl-T, and then we get something more suitable. And maybe you don't like the blocks in there, so apply the blocks, okay, Ctrl-T, and that's gone as well. And now we have a very small way of showing what system we have. We can make this a little bit smaller, we can make this a little bit smaller, and we'll have a nice screenshot for it. So that's how we can do it. Let's make this one all up again, like this, apply, kill this guy, and this is what is, well, almost use normal ASCII, apply, forgot that one. So this is what we used to have, and this is what you can have. So it's all up to you now. All these examples are possible. Where is everything happening? Of course, where is everything happening? In the Neofetch folder. So Eric, config, Neofetch folder, we have all these things. And we have the config folder, that's the file that's going to be changed all the time. We're going to change it and activate it with a dash, well, a hashtag in front of it, and that's it. And things are available or they're not available, and that's the way we do it. We change some variables in here, and we can even go to enable image backend and see, okay, let's go for, well, let's take the golden one first, apply, okay, and then kill everything. But let's maybe, well, yeah, I just wanted to make a picture, an image for the website. I'll do that later. So Ctrl-T, and there you have it. Now don't panic if you move things around or you click it, it can go away, this image. So if you're going to do something, then this image will not be there anymore. It all depends what you do, right? So that's normal, that's normal. The thing is, we can actually choose between all these kind of images, and you can only get it back if you Ctrl-T and then don't touch it anymore, and then make your screenshot, and that's nice. But once you start typing and do things, it's gonna be gone, and that's quite normal, and that's okay for us. So that's why basically also we went to enable ASCII backend, because this is always going to be there. It's going to stay there. Whenever we do, it's going to be there. We can type anything we'd like, it will stay there, and not the image. And the developer knows that. It's just like that. We have to accept it. All right, that's our tweak tool, or a Neofetch config tool. We can have a big one, we can have a small one, you can have images, backend, small image, small ASCII and images. Any of these images can be chosen. You can even go for ArcoLinux arc like this. Where is it? ArcoLinux black, blue. Well, just use the arrow down, that's easier. And then you can go over them, all of them. And all these images are in the Neofetch folder, which is still open. So all these folders, images in this folder can be used. Add more images to it and then have more choice, right? Okay, that's it for me. Enjoy ArcoLinux tweak tool, and that's the Neofetch config.